The Johor government is working with the Foreign Ministry to discuss with their Singaporean counterparts to allow some 40,000 Malaysians still in the country to be tested for Covid-19. Johor Mentri Besar Datuk Hasni Mohammad said in an interview on Sunday that the Singaporean authorities will not conduct Covid-19 tests unless a person has symptoms.
Don't deny the request for tests. Okay, it's not that people doesn't have the money. They want to do, but they are being refused by the hospital or clinic unless you have symptoms. So we are now still pursuing on that.
To give that special allowance
to allow Malaysian to to take the respective tests. With the help of our Wisma Putra, we have been able to send across our message, especially requesting Singapore to cooperate by giving our Malaysian working there an opportunity before they come back, that they are given screening or undergo tests or undergo checkup, So that has yet to be decided because the medical centers and institutions in Singapore refused to conduct any tests or any screening if the person do not have any symptoms. So that means they couldn't get some kind of health certificate from Singapore side before they enter Johor border.
He expressed confidence that the matter will be discussed through the Malaysia-Singapore Special Working Committee on Covid-19 to find a solution. During the movement control order period, Malaysians returning to the country must produce results of their tests at the checkpoints. Those tested negative in Singapore will require to undergo home quarantine, while those without any certification or prior testing will undergo compulsory 14-day quarantine at one of the government centres statewide. Singapore has imposed a so-called circuit breaker until May 4th, where the number of Malaysians returning has reduced to 500 to 600 per day. The Mentri Besar said the government has gazetted 80 quarantine centres in the state, including hotels.
They have moved to hotel because it is cheaper to provide quarantine centers at certain kind of hotels, certain types of hotel, because then we don't have to think about the security, about the food arrangement, about the cleaning facilities. So now it's more of the willingness on the part of the hotel to be part of the quarantine center.
Are you hoping for more hotels to come on board?
As I said, that will be even better.
The Mentri Besar also said the government will help people who have been displaced due to the MCO.